my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I am back with another super revolutionary face pack, and this face pack is going to help you in reversing the damage to your skin caused by the harmful UV rays and also the pollution. And guys, this face pack is going to provide you super glowing, moisturized and silky smooth skin. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. And we are going to get into the video, guys.
We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. Let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
So guys, you can leave all your worries behind about getting sun damage, about getting sunburns this summer, and you can easily try it out in your day-to-day life, and you are going to see some amazing benefits for yourself. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Also, if you have any suggestion that you want me to do video on, just let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do it for you guys. And also make sure to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And I'll see you guys super soon. Bye guys. Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm back with another super revolutionary face pack, and this is going to help you in reversing the damage of